In the context of taxes, an individual can be smarter typically by pushing out taxes into the future. Let's take an example of Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. He has shares in his company. That company is paying taxes, and he's just holding on to those shares. He's not creating those gains, and he'll probably die with the majority of those shares, give it to charity or otherwise. Pushing back the taxes to the future is generally a really good idea. So that's where deductible 401ks or retirement plans come in, is taking the deductions while you can, and then perhaps kicking the tax can down the road. And there's different ways to do that. But for an individual, the 401k is a common one. And also being smart tax-wise is to understand that low income years can also be a great strategy to try and bring more income into those years. So for example, if you're making 100k at a job for 3 years and then you do your startup and you're making zero, you're going to want a mechanism to save taxes or postpone taxes in those prior years. That could be a 401k, and then accelerating income, which you could do some IRA planning in those low tax years. And if it's all really explained, you can definitely save a lot. There are also more tax efficient investments. Also on the individual side, simply knowing what works for you as far as accumulating and saving money. And that can take the form of sort of technical planning, but it can also be just tracking and tracking software, or again, what works for you. And that could be just starving yourself for money, putting it somewhere where you can't get to it, whether it's real tin can or a metaphorical one. So get it away from you, put it to work, consider investing for the long term, because a lot of our economy is predicated on it. And in the long term, it's worked out for many people, but that's an investment advisory type of question. So definitely do your homework on that.